Hi guys, so in this part of the training I'm going to be teaching us where you are going to and how you are going to create your content. We have talked about market research, we have talked about spying on your competitors. Now we need to talk about how you are going to gather your content, how you are going to write your content easily. So let's get started. Now the best place you need to go to if you want to write any content is Google. It's Google. When you want to write any content, you use Google. Now let's take for example, you come here now, assuming you want to write on affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Let's use affiliate marketing for example. So you search on affiliate marketing. Now you can see this one says affiliate marketing in 2021. You can open in another tab. So this one say how to make money while sleeping in affiliate marketing. Now you open this one to in another tab. So you come here, you can see this one is too short when it comes to creating an ebook. So it will be too short. So what you just need is the keywords inside the content. The keyword inside the content, you can see the keyword inside the content, like affiliate marketing 2021. Just copy this. After you copy it, come to the platform I call e-sign article. E-sign article is a place whereby you can get a high quality and original content that it is stress free. That is, you don't need to stress yourself in rewriting them. It is error free. You don't need to behave. So when you just come here, search, just paste it, then search. So I'm not a robot. Continue. Now you can see what is affiliate marketing, resale rights, master business. How will affiliate market profit for direct? You can see we have everything on affiliate. 7 signs you are on track to success online. You can see we have new year, new opportunities, the importance of physical security taught in the world. So we are going to find a lot of topics relating to affiliate marketing. You can come back, maybe your own is pet, and just come you click on hen. We even specialize it into categories. You can come here if you want to be writing on any of these. If you want to write on health and fitness, you can just click here, health and fitness. We have a lot of them here. Health and fitness. On any topic, maybe medication, hypertension, disease, drugs, beauty. We have a lot of them. Obsessities. So you can just click on them. Then maybe you want to be writing on pet or food and drinks, you can click on food and drinks. Under food and drinks, you can click on, maybe you want to write on food with low cholesterol, you can click on food with low cholesterol. It will load. So food with low cholesterol. What to have for lunch? Try fish and banana. You can see healthy eating. me pre idea. So when you open it, you can open it another tab. So weight and lost brief recipes that are healthy and delicious. You can see, you can just, by the time you will open up to 4 or 5, you must have get your ebook full. You can see healthy breakfast. So you come here, you open in another tab. By the time you see, I told you. You can see, you still have some sponsored topics. You can still click on this list of high cholesterol food, zero cholesterol food. It's giving you the idea. Under your topic, you can just, maybe you are talking about the food with low cholesterol, you can just write on list of food, list of high cholesterol food, you list it. Zero cholesterol food, you list it. The snacks with it, food high in cholesterol, so you just write on any topics, collate any title, relate with the topic you are writing on from this. So you can still have another one. They said what you need. This one is talking about what you need in preparing the food. You even explain how to prepare the food. That's part of it. You can just say weight loss recipes that are healthy and delicious. This now you can still go on Google to search for more of it. He only talks about 2 or 3. You can go on Google to search for more of it. So you can see this one too. They said easy low cholesterol snacks, and when you click on it, it's going to load more of this thing. And by the time you collate everything together, your book is ready. Without stressing yourself at all, without stressing yourself or writing yourself, your book is ready. Look at this one too. So that's the first method on how to gather your content, on how to gather your information, because gathering of information is the most important thing. So when you are providing them something that is relevant, something that is trying to solve their problem, they will be willing and able to buy. They will be willing and able to buy the ebooks from you. So in the next tutorial, I will be teaching us where you are going to buy